Crash course on Norway, local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions. Norway is a country with a rich and diverse culture, and its food and drink are no exception. From traditional dishes like Lutefisk and smalahava to more modern fare like Reindeer and tacos, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Cuisine. Norwegian cuisine is heavily influenced by its Nordic roots, and many dishes feature fresh seafood, root vegetables, and dairy products. Some of the most popular traditional Norwegian dishes include 1. Lutefisk, a dried cod dish that is soaked in lye before being cooked. 1. Smalahava, a sheep's head that is boiled and then cured. 1. Reindeer, small, sweet shrimp that are often served with mayonnaise and dill. 1. Tacos, a Mexican dish that has become increasingly popular in Norway in recent years. In addition to its traditional dishes, Norway also has a growing reputation for its modern cuisine. Some of the most popular modern Norwegian restaurants include Mimo in Oslo, Lutefisk in Bergen, and Spisekroa in Trondheim. Cultural festivals and traditions. Norway is home to a number of vibrant cultural festivals and traditions. Some of the most popular festivals include 1. The Oslofjord Aquavit Festival, a festival that celebrates Norway's national drink, aquavit. 1. The Bergen International Festival, a 17-day festival of music, theater, and dance. 1. The Midnight Sun Festival, a festival that celebrates the summer solstice and the long days of sunlight. 1. The Northern Lights Festival, a festival that celebrates the Northern Lights, a natural phenomenon that can be seen in Norway from late September to mid-April. Top 12 attractions of local cuisine, cultural festivals and traditions in Norway. 1. Fjords. Norway is home to some of the most beautiful fjords in the world, and these natural wonders are a must-see for any visitor. 2. Trolls. Trolls are a popular figure in Norwegian folklore, and you can find statues and sculptures of trolls all over the country. 3. Stave churches. Stave churches are a unique type of wooden church that is found in Norway. These churches were built in the Middle Ages, and they are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 4. The Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a natural phenomenon that can be seen in Norway from late September to mid-April. 5. The Midnight Sun. The midnight sun is a natural phenomenon that occurs during the summer solstice, when the sun doesn't set for 24 hours. 6. Reindeer. Reindeer are a common sight in Norway, and you can often see them grazing in the mountains or forests. 7. Whale watching. Norway is a great place to go whale watching, and you can often see whales such as humpback whales, minke whales, and orcas. 8. Hiking. Norway is a great place to go hiking, and there are trails to suit all levels of experience. 9. Camping. Camping is a popular way to experience the great outdoors in Norway, and there are campsites all over the country. 10. Fishing. Fishing is a popular activity in Norway, and you can fish for a variety of species, including salmon, trout, and cod. 11. Skiing. Norway is a great place to go skiing, and there are ski resorts all over the country. 12. Sailing. Sailing is a popular activity in Norway, and you can sail in the fjords, the open ocean, or even on the Arctic Ocean. Summary. Norway is a country with a rich and diverse culture, and its food and drink are no exception. From traditional dishes to modern fare, there's something for everyone to enjoy. In addition to its delicious food, Norway also has a number of vibrant cultural festivals and traditions. Norway's local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions offer a captivating journey into the heart and soul of the country. From indulging in traditional dishes to participating in vibrant celebrations, Norway's cultural heritage comes alive. The warmth of its people and the richness of its culinary and cultural experiences make Norway a destination worth exploring. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. Thank you for kind support our anhubmetaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.